Hi front-end techies, welcome to this video. This video is about ACCENTURE MERN stack real interview questions for 3 to 8 days experience. HR questions, tell about yourself. We need to explain our career experiences and our technology experiences. Second one is what are your goals and objectives in life? So we need to tell about that one. Third one is what is the slogan or one key mantra you will give to a person who you love to get successful in life. This is based on your own experiences. JD, first one is good understanding and knowledge on MERN stack. Second one is should be enough knowledge to create an application from scratch and can do deployments. Third one is manage to handle support projects. Fourth one is thorough knowledge on Express and React. Project discussion, project based questions. First one is explain your current project. Second one is did you choose MERN stack as the choice for your project or your client choose it? So based on your technical expertise from your client, you can answer these questions. Third one is how many team members are there? What are their roles? So how many members are working in this project? How many persons works on Express.js? How many persons works on React? How many person concentrate on the Node.js part? And who are all responsible for MongoDB? All those things you have to explain. What is your role and responsibility? So your role and responsibility of the current project you have to explain. Last one is deployment you have done, right? Which tool you use? PM2 or engines? Any knowledge on cloud deployment? So Node.js projects are probably deployed through PM2 or Nginx. So you can answer based on your own experiences. If you don't have knowledge, you can say, I don't have deployment knowledge. If you have knowledge, you can tell them. And cloud deployments like AWS or Azure knowledge, you can explain here. MERN stack questions, React. So you are working on one module, you need to pass data from module to another developer's module, how you did it. So they are asking like how the component communication is done, how the data transfer is done between these tools. So you can use props or you can use context API, though you need to explain that one. Second one is you need to write and explain. Get data from your REST API, consume the data with some business logics and pass the newly created data to child component. So this is for your experience. So based on your experience, you can write this. You can use any use effect to get the data. You can use Axios or Fetch API or async await to get the data from the SGPA, and the consumption of the data you can set the data through to some of the set state methods, and then you can use the business logics to create a new data for the child components, and through data props or context API you can pass the data. Stack, Express and Node.js. So combined with the asked three questions. First one is how you manage session in Node.js. So we need to explain that one, how sessions are managed in Node.js. Second one is how you break cars. So cars policy is making many issues when we are conceiving a REST API call. So you need to explain how you make a cost policy, what are the things you need to take the step. Third one is what is the difference between rest.json and rest.send. Both are almost same, but sending JSON we can use rest.json. Rest.send is for common response sending. So what is status code also they're asking. We need to send status code for 202 like that. Sometimes for 404 also we can send status codes. Based on that we can consume the call. So those things I need to explain here. One stack MongoDB questions. So first one is explain fully and write example for the following two questions. First one is how you save a file in MongoDB from Express React code. So this is like how you are inserting a data to the MongoDB table from Express React code. They are asking. Second one is what is BSON? How to store large files like having some 100 MB files to MongoDB. This is based on experience you need to explain here. First one is a basic question. Second one is some advanced knowledge on MongoDB experience. Web questions. Debugging from source tab versus debugging from VS Code JavaScript environment, runtime environment. Which is your choice? Why? So we need to explain based on our own experience. So for some code, debugging from source tab might be easier choice, and the same environment is nowadays available in VS Code, so we can directly put the debugger points in the VS Code and we can debug from there itself. So to pass from one JavaScript file to another JavaScript file or React to Express.js files like that, these communications we can easily make through the help of VS Code's JavaScript and runtime environment. So based on our own choices, we can explain here. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe like, share, and comment to UI UX Talks front end techies.